Hey everybody, with Albert Steenblik again, and we're standing in front of his John Deere 1770 NT corn planter. And Albert, I know this planter, you have done a lot of things to get it up to date and to make it even more efficient. You want to tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, I think we bought this planter, and I think it was 09.
You bought it new, correct?
Brand new, yeah, brand new, 60-year-old, and with all John Deere equipment on it. And then we ran that for probably 17 or 18. We put all precision planting.
All precision planting parts.
Everything got replaced, and we put all the hydraulic lines on it. Everything got replaced. Except the frame and everything got replaced. We put all precision on it. Pretty much got everything on high speed to get back 10 mile an hour with it.
High speed, so it's got all the updates for that too.
Yeah, it's got everything on it. Probably just about buy it. I mean, it might have changed it.
Yeah.
It went through the shop this winter, so because we didn't know we were going to sell the farm.
Right.
So we fixed it all up, and it's ready to go. You can just go and unfold it and start putting it on.
So just like all your equipment,
Yeah.
because you had your discs ready to go, you had everything ready to
That
go.
one we put all the blades on, and a couple other, all the tires on the pecan boxes, everything we went through it. It's all good to go.
All right. So folks, this John Deere 1770 NT, Albert bought it brand new. You can see it's inside yet now. He always stored it inside. He's got it all updated. It's ready to go. And it's got the high-speed options on it, precision planting. Be ready to bid because it's a good outfit. Thanks, Albert, for talking about it. Appreciate it.